Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting essentials done fast. Record your Xbox model and current firmware so you know what to expect. Next, power cycle the console, hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds, unplug for 60 seconds, then plug back in because many Wi-Fi states clear with a full restart. Meanwhile, verify router band and proximity. Routers on 5 GHz can be faster but have shorter range, so move the Xbox closer or switch to 4 GHz if signal is weak. Once done with the power cycle, forget the Wi-Fi network on your Xbox and rescan. Re-enter SSID and password carefully to avoid invisible character errors. If intermittent drops persist, assign a static IP on the Xbox or reserve one in your router's DHCP table so the console keeps the same address. Also change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to bypass flaky ISP resolution. This speeds lookups. Finish by updating your router's firmware and ensuring security is WPA2 or WPA3. Outdated firmware can cause weird wireless bugs. If performance still lags, switch to wired Ethernet for the only truly stable connection, or deploy a good mesh/extender positioned to give the Xbox a strong signal. If problems persist, test the Xbox on a phone hotspot. If it works there, the ISP or router is at fault. If not, perform a factory network, reset on the console as a last resort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.